Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel CSN IT Tutorials by Vrishali. Previously we have discussed Python practical on binary search tree, Prim's algorithm, Kruskal and merge sort. I have attached a complete DSA playlist link in below description box. We have also different playlist on database, operating system, SQL, then computer network software engineering, system programming, HCI, machine learning and processor architecture subject. Please refer this playlist for your exam point of view. That will be beneficial for everyone. And also share this with your friends and subscribe the channel. Now, in today's session we will discuss practical demonstration on fractional knapsack problem. Previously we have discussed stepwise solve example of fractional knapsack. See here, while solving example, this is our given data. Total capacity of your bag is 10 kg. There are total 4 items. Weight of these items are given. Profit of the items are given. And you have to find out the total profit. So similarly, this data also given in our program at the end. See, same profit list is given, weight list is given and capacity of our bag is 10 kg. Basically, our aim is to find out the maximum profit we can get by putting these items in our bag or knapsack, and our knapsack having the limited capacity. We are also considering the fractional knapsack items. So, this is our given data. Now, you have to call the fractional knapsack function, where we have to mention the logic of our data. We are passing the total 3 parameters: weight, profit and capacity, because this is our given data. And these values have stored into the max value variable, because we have to return the total profit. We have to put all these items one by one in our bag as per their weight and find out the total profit. Now see here, this is our fractional knapsack function. In Python we are using the def keyword for declaring the function, and we are passing the 3 parameters: weight, profit and capacity, right? Now next thing is length of profit, means how many items are there. In our profit there are total 4 values, means length of the profit is 4. So n equal to 4. You can also calculate the length of weight for calculating how many items are there, right? Now see here, as per solving example, our first step is you have to calculate the profit weight ratio. So we are generating this kind of table here: items, weight, profit and profit weight ratio. So similarly, in programming we are calculating the profit weight ratio. See here, ratio list is given and the formula is profit divided by weight. So they are considering the value from weight list and profit list, which is our given data, and we are calculating the profit for all the items. That's why we are using the for loop here. I equal to 0 and range of n. Now n value is equal to 4, means there are total 4 items are there. So you have to calculate the profit of the 4 items. Like see here, items 1, weight is 2, profit is 8. So 8 divided by 2 equal to 4. So similarly, we are calculating the profit weight ratio of 4 items. That's why we are using the for loop here. Now next step according the algorithm is you have to sort this profit weight ratio in descending order. This is the second step, right? See here, you have to sort profit weight ratio in descending order. That is highest profit weight ratio first, 4.8, 4.5, then 4, then 2. So similarly in Python, directly we are using the dot sort method. See here, ratio dot sort. Now first parameter is reverse equal to true, means we are mentioning the value in descending order. They sort the data in descending order. And the next parameter is key equal to lambda, x equal to x of 0. Key tells the Python how to compare the element. X represents each items in the list, and x of 0 means we are sorting using the first value in each tuple. So this is the ratio dot sort method. They sort all the profit weight ratio in descending order. Now next variable is total profit. Now we need to calculate the total profit. So the total profit initially is 0. Okay. Now next here, see, now what you have to do, you have to put one by one value items in knapsack. So which one is the highest profit? See, as per our example, highest profit is 4.8. So 4.8 means item number 4. Means you have to put item number 4 in particular bag, right? Now check here. Capacity is 10 kg of our bag, and the item capacity, item weight is 5 kg here. That is item number 4. So 10 is greater than equal to 4, right? 10 is greater than equal to 5. This is your bag capacity and this is a weight of the particular item. So 10 is greater than equal to 5 means you have to put item into the bag. See here, 10 is a bag capacity of our bag. We have to put weight 5 into the bag. So 10 minus 5 equal to 5. So for that purpose we are using this formula. Capacity minus weight, 10 minus 5. Now our remaining capacity is 5. Similarly, you have to calculate the total profit. Initially our profit is 0 and item number 4 profit is 24. So 0 plus 24. So our total profit is equal to 24. Right? Okay. Now this if part indicate you have to add the item completely, and else part indicate the fractional items. So here total 3 variables are there. R indicate the ratio, W indicate the weight, and P indicate the profit of the item. Now next is C. Our remaining capacity is 5 now, right? So capacity equal to 5. Next item we are adding their profit weight ratio as per, that is 4.5 is greater, that is item number 3, and their weight is 4. Okay, and our remaining capacity is 5. So 5 greater than equal to 4, right? Means you can add this item into the bag and also calculate the profit. Now next time your remaining capacity is 1 and item capacity is 2 here. See, item capacity is 2. So 1 is greater than equal to 2? No. Then they move to the else part because condition is false. So else part indicate the fractional item, right? See here. So our capacity bag is 1 and you have to add the item where weight is only 1. But our item weight is 2. So you have to add the particular item in fraction. So from 2 you are adding only 1 item. Okay. So 1 by 2 is there. See here in this else part. Okay. Our capacity is 1, remaining capacity, but item weight is 2. So 1 by 2. Answer is 0.5. And also add the profit of that particular item. So if you are adding 2 weight, profit is 8, but we are adding only 1 here. So profit is 2 only. Okay, that is half 1. So see here, 42 plus 4 equal to 46. 42 of our previous profit, we are adding the new profit, that is 4 here. And the final answer is 46. This is your total profit. And break indicate the stop, means our knapsack is full, our bag is full. So this is the basic logic of our fractional knapsack problem. And at the end they return the total profit. So just execute the program. See our maximum value in knapsack 46.0. This is our total profit. And in our answer also total profit equal to 0. So this is a sample program of fractional knapsack. Just practice it regularly. Thank you. Keep learning.